Hi, this is Elisha and I welcome you to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can use OBS as a screencaster without any limitation in terms of how long you're gonna screen record. If you're that one person who's been trying to find a screencaster, yet you haven't been able to find one because most of the screencasters that you've come across are those that require that you pay for a particular plan, then this is the right video for you, because I'm going to be showing you how to use OBS. So then what is OBS? OBS is simply the open broadcasting software. Most of the people who love streaming live, they use it, and I've been using it for quite some time now, over a period of 3 years. Initially, I would actually use it for streaming live on my Facebook as well as on my YouTube channel. This time around, I switched to using it as a screen recorder. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that. Okay, most of those screen recorders that I've ever used before, like Zite. Then I also used Opencast. That is a screencaster, but it has limitations. Opencast goes up to 15 minutes. So if you want to record over a period of 1 hour, then you have to simply cut whatever you're recording in sessions. You record this time around, you stop, and it takes time for it to save whatever you have recorded. Zite only goes up to 5 minutes. That's the free version, so you have to pay for you to unlock all those other features, like recording to a limitless period of time. But with OBS, you can actually record for as long as you can go. That's one thing that makes me love this one. So let's take a dive. So once you open OBS, this is what you're gonna see. This is the panel where you're gonna see whatever you are presenting. And at the same time, you can actually split this window, but I'm not gonna go into the complexities of this open broadcasting software. I'm gonna show you the basics so that you happen to be up and running. So the first thing that you need to do is, first of all, you click the plus icon. Let me move this up if it's possible. Okay, you see this plus icon in the bottom left. Yeah, that's where you have to click for you to create a scene. And by creating a scene, you can actually name, you understand, you name the file. You'll be naming the file in advance, the one that will be recorded, so that it happens when it happens to be saved in a folder, you will easily be able to trace it. Okay, so when you name the scene, but I'll be also showing you how these work if you have a lot of things to present, but not now. I don't want to complicate this video. So once you click here, it will actually pop up this small window where it will read, please enter the name of the scene. But initially it has a default scene, so you need to name it so that when you happen to save it, you'll be able to trace it. Okay, so now you name it. If you want, you can say streaming live on FB. Then you can click OK, and it will be saved just like these others are saved here. So now, since I've already done that, I have it here, right? OBS as a screencaster. Then from here, what you need to do is you move on to this panel where it reads sources. Then you click the plus icon here. Okay, you'll see all these options. So you go towards a window capture. You understand? If you want to stream live, you go by this option, media source or image, display capture. But what I want is you to be able to screencast whatever is on the screen of your PC. So you're gonna go by window capture. So once you click here, you can actually name this, okay, but you can simply go by, okay, if you want you can name this, okay, you go like okay, and then here it says select a window to capture. You click the drop down arrow here, Bluetooth file transfer. So these are the windows that are active right now. You see that? But we can leave it open like that. And then it's a window match priority title. So what will happen is if I happen to click a window, that's the one that will be recorded by OBS. So I'm gonna click OK there, and then what I'll do is I can now hit start recording, right? I can now hit start recording here, and let me choose something here. I can click this one here at the bottom. I don't know if you're able to see the taskbar at the bottom here. I can choose what I want to record. So if I happen to activate this and it's the one which is active right now, I can now go back to OBS and then select a window capture. Okay, check this one out. We can say Explorer. Pop-up host. If we go by, you see that if I choose the Bluetooth, this is what I'm actually transferring from the PC to my phone. So now I can set up this, because if I simply record it like this, whatever we record will appear in the top left corner. So I need to make sure that I right click using my mouse, then scroll down, and then choose this one. Let me see, transform. Okay, so when you go by transform, you need to hover over the end here and go to where it reads fit to screen, and boom, it has actually been stretched, right? If you want, you can manually stretch this by holding and pulling to the right the way it was. And once you do this, you've set up the screen that will be recorded. You can now go ahead and hit start recording. Now the thing is, once you hit start recording, you can close this window so that you begin to interact with that window which is active. Yeah, so this one, when we begin to interact with this one, it will be recording everything that I'll be doing here, as long as I've clicked start recording. Start recording here. Don't forget to click start recording, because you won't be recording anything if you don't do that. It's very important. So we can keep on changing what we want to record. Okay, we can keep on changing by actually maneuvering over here, hovering here, and then we choose what we want to record. As simple as this. So when you're done, you will see it to be different here. It will say stop recording. You simply click there, and then you can as well head on to the folder where the video will be saved. So this is how you do it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed.